India amid the series of crises induced by the coronavirus pandemic and super cyclones like Amphan and Nisarga. Now, we are facing a grave threat due to the attack by swarm of locust, which is the worst such attack in the last 27 years. Locust is an insect which is a bit similar to cricket and grasshopper, belongs to the family Acrididae and phylum Arthropoda. In Hindi, locusts are called as Tidi, in Bengali called as Pongopal. Locust can exist in two phases, solitary and gregarious. In solitary phase, they look green in color, they do not form crowd, they are not able to fly and move very slowly. So we don't have any problem with the ones in their solitary phase. But problem arise when they exist in crowds and are in their gregarious phase. In that time, they change their eating habits. They can eat almost everything, any part of the plants, and they become voracious. That time, they move very fast and can fly a long distance. Interestingly, they can transform into gregarious phase from solitary phase at any point of time in their life, as long as environmental conditions for it are congenial, like rains, moist soil, and lot of vegetations. The swarm of this locust are formed in gregarious phase only, and they destroy everything in their way. A swarm can eat as much as 2,500 people in a day. According to our recent studies, apart from the environment, our neurotransmitter called serotonin plays a very important role to convert them solitary into gregarious phase. Why the swarm of locust came to India and the reason behind it? The Indian Ocean is warming up more than usual due to the climatic change, and hence the rains become more extreme. In East Africa, there was a flood during the last December 2019, and due to the flood, there was a suitable environment conditions are formed for the locust. So they began to breed in huge number and started to travel to the Iran, then Pakistan, and now in India. So the big question is, what are the solutions to fight this locust of swarms? The first and common solution is simply spraying them with pesticides and insecticides. We can take both the synthetic or organic as well. Number two, by making noise, because locusts flee from any kind of loud noise. Number three, if we can trap them, we can also use it for the feed of chicken. In some countries, their farmers are asked to trap this locust so they can use it as a chicken feed. As the locust containing 70% of protein, and that is more than the soybean. Number four, humans themselves can eat locust as a source of protein. In many countries, the dish of locust is very popular. But this is not possible nowadays because they are sprayed with so many pesticides. So it might be harmful for our health. So that's all about this video, and thank you for watching Nils Biology.